kahit ano, umulan, it's raining, but it's still working. Dirap! Entering Bato, Catanduanes. Ayan yung bundok ko. Tapos tulay. Mga nyugan. Oo. Dito na kami papuntang Bato. Actually, Bato na to eh. Malapit na. Lalaki ng mga bahay dito sa lugar na to. Tingnan mo yan. Laki oh. Catanduanes! San Vicente na kami ah. San Vicente. Ang lakas ng ulan. Pupunta kami ng falls. Ano ba yan? Pero walang titigil sa amin. Diretso lang. Ayan oh. Ganda ng bahay oh. Oh, hanggang third floor. Imagine that. Ayun pa oh. Ito yata yung kanilang ano, basketball court, public. Oh my God. Basa talaga. Ah, go. What? May bunso. Oh my God, look at the place. It's amazing. Ay, don't go there anak, please. Ay, ako pa naman nervous ah. Oh, ganda oh. Tapos ayun sa distance. Oh gosh. I think it's worth it that we came even though it's raining. Just the view is already amazing.
Umalis ka ng chinelas.
They are liable for the accident. It's slippery. It's very slippery. Here is not that bad. Let's go down.
They told you not to go?
Yes. Na ulan, even though it's raining, it's worth it because of this beauty. Amazing, correct? It's a very nature. Madulas masyado. Ingat! Isang! Ingat! Nak, where you going? May tao dun, no? Tumatawid. Tumatawid sila. Andun sila sa taas, oh. Ay, hindi ko na nakita. Kaya si Kuya, oh, tumawid sila galing taas. Tibay ng mga paa, no? Tagulan, tapos isang sako ang karga. Kaya sila, oh. I think don't try. Don't try. It's slippery. Don't try. Thank you. Tara, maghalo-halo tayo. Oh. This is my kingdom come. Okay, they are down there. I'm going up. I'll check. What do we have here? They said I don't go up here. So I want to see why. Okay? I was told that to do something, but I still do it. So this is the top portion of it. Wow, very strong. I am not going to try even to go there. Yeah, that's dangerous. Video. This is my kingdom come. I think don't try. Don't try. It's slippery. Don't try. Thank you. May tao dun, no? Tumatawid. Tumatawid sila. Andun sila sa taas, oh. Ay, hindi ko na nakita. Maripina Falls. Lakas ang ulan. Tingnan mo yung mga tao, yung mga binagyo na wala pang mga dahon. Ayan yung pisil ko. Electric lamp nila. Ayan. Parang naman hindi masyado naman silang binagyo dito. Kasi may mga nakikita naman ako na kahoy, trees. Tanong tayo pa sila. Kunting-kunti lang yung damage ng bagyo. Compared to other part of Catanduanes, this is Virac. So ang nasitro daw higmoto, tikmel, ay mga ganun. Ayun na sila, oh. Ay, dalawa.